Have you ever pondered about the wonder that is the human body? A marvel of nature, a masterpiece of evolution, the human body is an intricate web of wonders that never ceases to amaze. Did you know that our bodies are composed of approximately 37 trillion cells? That's right, trillion! Each of these microscopic building blocks works tirelessly, performing specific functions that keep us alive and kicking. From the cells that make up your skin, your body's largest organ, to the cells in your heart, each one plays a vital role in the symphony of life. Now let's talk speed. No, we're not talking about how fast you can run a mile, but rather the speed of your nerve impulses. These electric signals zip through your body at an astonishing speed of up to 250 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One racing car. It's these nerve impulses that enable you to react to the world around you, from feeling the warmth of a sunny day to pulling your hand away from a hot stove. And we can't forget the brain, the body's command center. This 3-pound wonder is arguably the most complex object in the known universe. With approximately 100 billion neurons, each capable of making about 1,000 connections with other neurons, the human brain is a network of complexity that far outstrips any supercomputer. It's the seat of our thoughts, emotions, and memories, the essence of what makes us, us. We've only just scratched the surface of the human body's marvels. Each part, from the smallest cell to the most complex organ, works in harmony to create the symphony of life that is you. From the beating of your heart to the firing of your neurons, every second of your existence is a testament to the wonder that is the human body. So, the human body is a marvel, wouldn't you agree? Do you know that each of us carries a superhero within? That's right. We're not talking about capes or superpowers, but the extraordinary strength that lies within our muscles. Did you know that our muscles are stronger than we think? They have the potential to exert a force of up to 1,000 times their own weight. How is this possible, you ask? Well, let's talk about adrenaline, our very own superpower fuel. Adrenaline, also known as the fight or flight hormone, can push our bodies beyond their usual limits. A classic example is the story of a mother who lifted a car to save her child. Sounds like something out of a comic book, right? But it's a testament to the incredible power we hold within. So the next time you feel weak, remember the superhero within you. You're stronger than you think, and that's no fiction. It's science. What if I told you your senses deceive you every day? Yes, the human senses, those faithful tools we rely on to navigate the world, are not as straightforward as they seem. Let's unravel the magic of these senses and delve into some fascinating facts. First up, we have sight, our dominant sense. But did you know that our eyes play tricks on us daily? Take optical illusions, for instance. When you see a static image appear to move, your brain is filling in gaps based on assumptions it's making. It's like your brain is a little artist, constantly painting your perception of reality. Next, we have taste. Remember that tongue map you learned in school, with different regions for sweet, sour, bitter, and salty? Well, that's a myth. Every part of your tongue can detect all these flavors. It's like a flavor party in your mouth. Then, there's the sense of smell, which is more powerful than you might think. It's a time machine, capable of transporting us back to memories, both sweet and bitter, in an instant. Ever caught a whiff of a perfume or a dish that instantly reminded you of someone or something? That's your olfactory system working its nostalgic magic. Next is touch, the sense that allows us to feel the world around us. But it's not just about feeling hot or cold, rough or smooth. Did you know that the human body can detect the weight difference of a mere 2/1000ths of a pound? That's like the weight of a feather. Finally, we have hearing. Our ears are like natural sound engineers, capable of distinguishing over 300,000 different tones. Try wrapping your head around that. So there you have it. Our senses, constantly interpreting the world around us, are also playfully deceiving us. They are the master illusionists of our own perception, shaping our reality in ways we often don't realize. Our senses, a constant source of wonder and deception. Are you ready to explore the universe within your skull? Let's take a journey into the human brain, an organ that is as mysterious as it is powerful. The brain, a mere 3-pound mass of jelly-like substance, is the command center for the human nervous system. It's responsible for everything you think, feel, and do. It's the seat of intelligence, interpreter of the senses, initiator of body movement, and controller of behavior. Yet the brain's capabilities extend far beyond these tasks. Every night, while you're tucked up in bed, your brain is off on an adventure, creating a world of dreams. Dreams are one of the most intriguing aspects of the human brain. They're a mix of memories, emotions, and imaginative leaps. And while the purpose of dreams isn't entirely understood, Theories suggest they help with memory consolidation, problem solving, and emotional regulation. Now, let's talk about neurons, the building blocks of the brain. There are around 100 billion neurons in the human brain, each connected to up to 10,000 other neurons. These connections form a vast network, a universe within your skull that's far more complex than any computer system we've ever created. And speaking of complexity, let's delve into the brain's storage capacity. It's estimated that the human brain has a storage capacity equivalent to about 1 petabyte. That's the same as approximately 1,000 terabytes or 1 million gigabytes. To put this into perspective, if your brain were a video recorder, 1 petabyte would be enough to hold 3 million hours of TV shows. You'd have to leave the TV running continuously for more than 300 years to use up all that storage. All these facts make it clear that our brain is not just an organ. It's an intricate, astonishing universe brimming with possibilities. It's the ultimate testament to the boundless potential of human life. Our brain, the ultimate universe within us. Ever thought of your heart as more than just a pump? Well, let's dive right into it. This tireless champion in our chests is an absolute marvel of nature, a powerhouse of strength and consistency that keeps us alive from our first breath to our last. It's not just a pump, it's the engine that powers us, the rhythm that moves us, the beat that sets the tempo of our lives. Imagine this, in an average lifetime the human heart will beat over 2.5 billion times. Yes, you heard it right, billion with a B. That's like a single drummer playing non-stop for 80 years without missing a single beat. And it's doing all this while you're sleeping, eating, running, or even just sitting there watching this video. But wait, there's more. Your heart is also a champion weightlifter. In just a single day it pumps around 2,000 gallons of blood, enough to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool in less than a year. And it does this with a force that can shoot blood up to 30 feet. Talk about power. And just when you thought it couldn't get any more impressive, let's talk about your heart's electrical system. It's like having a tiny power plant right inside your chest. This system ensures that your heart beats in a coordinated and efficient manner, sending signals that control the timing of your heartbeat. But it doesn't stop there. This electrical system is so powerful, it can continue working even when it's disconnected from the brain. That's right, your heart has a mind of its own. It's a self-contained unit capable of functioning independently. It's truly a testament to the sheer brilliance of human biology. The heart is indeed more than just a pump. It's a symbol of love, of life, of resilience. It's a testament to the power and beauty of the human body, a constant reminder of our capacity for endurance, for strength, for life. So next time you feel your heart beating in your chest, remember this: it's not just pumping blood, it's pumping life, it's pumping strength, it's pumping you. And it's doing it all with a dedication and consistency that is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Our hearts tirelessly fueling our lives. Ever thought of yourself as a walking, talking city of cells? If not, it's time to start. Each one of us is a bustling metropolis of microscopic life, a symphony of cells, each playing its part in the grand concert of existence. Just imagine, your body houses a staggering 100 trillion cells. To put that into perspective, it's about 14,000 times the total human population on Earth. Now that's a crowded city. And the diversity. Oh, the diversity is something to marvel at. We have brain cells, skin cells, blood cells, each with their unique part to play in this grand orchestra. They're all working tirelessly, around the clock to keep you, the city, functioning harmoniously. Now let's talk about lifespan. Just like the residents of any city, cells too have their lifespan. While some cells, like our brain cells, stay with us from birth till death, others have a much shorter lifespan. Take, for example, the cells lining our stomach. They're replaced every 5 days to protect us from the harsh acidic environment they live in. And then there's the process of cell regeneration. It's like the city's own restoration project. When old cells retire, new ones step in, ensuring the city never sleeps, never stops, and never ages. It's like a never-ending relay race, with the baton of life being passed from one cell to the next. Through this process of regeneration, our bodies replace an estimated 30 to 40 billion cells each day. That's like replacing the entire population of Canada 3 to 4 times every single day. Just think about it for a moment. Each second, millions of cells are being born and millions are dying, all to keep you alive and thriving. So we are but a symphony of cells playing the melody of life. So, still think you're just an ordinary human being? Let's take a moment to appreciate the extraordinary marvels we've just uncovered about the human body. Remember the superhuman strength we carry within us? How we, as mere mortals, possess the power to lift a car during those adrenaline-pumping moments of crisis? It's astonishing to think that our bodies can push beyond everyday limits in the face of danger. And let's not forget about the magic of our senses. We've learned that our noses can remember 50,000 different scents. That's like being able to recall every aroma from your favorite coffee shop to the unique scent of a spring morning, year after year. We've also explored the universe within us, the vast network of neurons in our brains, with the capacity to hold more information than the entire internet. It's mind-boggling to consider that this inner cosmos exists within each and every one of us. Our hearts, too, are far more than mere pumps. They're tireless workers, beating over 100,000 times a day to keep us alive and kicking. That's like running a marathon every single day without breaking a sweat. And let's not underestimate the symphony of cells that make up our bodies, each one working in perfect harmony to create the masterpiece that is you. So as we conclude this journey of self-discovery, let's embrace our marvel, our uniqueness, our extraordinary capabilities. We're not just ordinary human beings. We're a collection of miracles, each one of us a testament to the incredible complexity and beauty of life. Next time you look in the mirror, remember the marvel looking back at you.